Hey guys, it is Gaming Universe here, and we, CJ1221 ABC, and me have just set off a ton of TNT. I'm at the top, and he is at the bottom screen. And as you can see, there's a ton of TNT everywhere. So here we go. Okay, so if you look at CJ's screen, you can see that there's TNT going off everywhere. So far, and only in my screen, you can. Oh, now you can see on CJ's screen the explosions. I'm holding the camera, so I'm not really moving, but I'll do that.
It's going above the clouds too.
Yeah, I know, that's so cool. But, yeah, here, can you hold this? Okay, on my screen, you can see that, we couldn't blow this part up because it's all made out of obsidian, but, on the outside, you did a pretty good job. So, yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you later.